This is the next lesson in the Blog Builder, the second one in Module 4. And today we're talking about affiliate marketing. And it's quite an interesting topic, and hopefully I'll be able to expand your mind a bit today. As always, a huge welcome. I'm Brad Brown, and if you've got any comments or questions, you know where to pop them in the comments box next to this video. So in the last module, we spoke a little bit about advertising and how you can place third-party ads on your website. We also spoke a little bit about affiliate marketing. In the next video, I'll talk about sponsored posts, and then we'll touch on e-commerce and physical and digital products. So affiliate marketing, what is it? This is where we start digging really deep into different ways to make money online. So in the last video, we spoke about advertising. So a business places an ad on your website and they pay you for a click to send traffic to their website. Affiliate marketing is slightly different. So there are many businesses and individuals who create products and sell them online, okay? And for many of them, they have an audience that they market to, but they also rely heavily on other people's audiences. So what affiliate marketing is, it's just an opportunity that a service provider offers you as a content provider to market their product, essentially. And there are various ways that you can do it, and there's various products. The sort of options are limitless, if I have to be brutally honest, and I'll show you why in a moment. So basically what happens is someone else pays you for promoting their product. So with regards to advertising, where somebody would pay you for a click on the ad regardless of somebody buys or not, with affiliate marketing, it's all down to conversion. So somebody actually has to buy the product in order for you to get a commission. On the clicks, you can make a little bit of money. Truth of the matter is you probably need lots and lots of traffic in order to make it really financially viable. With regards to affiliate marketing, not so much, because some of the commissions that these products pay are very attractive. So the first place I wanted to tell you about was Jvzoo, the second one Clickbank, and the third one is Amazon. So these are three different platforms you can use to find products that you can sell on your website through affiliate marketing. So this is Jvzoo, and the web address is jvzoo.com. I'm going to put the link next to the video as well, so you can click straight through there. And basically what Jvzoo is, and Clickbank is pretty much the same. It's a marketplace for publishers, for sellers and affiliates, essentially. So if you have a website and you write on a specific product, let's say, for instance, you write on paleo, the diet. You can find a product that is linked to paleo that you can then promote on your website. One thing you have to be pretty careful of this thing is you don't want to be promoting products that you don't particularly believe in or buy into. That would just be really scammy, and for me it doesn't sit well. Lots of people do it. Now, you're going to get the best results if it's products that you actually do believe in. So that's Jvzoo. If you'd like to sign up, all you have to do is head over to the website, click on sign up, go through the process, and you can take it from there. Clickbank is exactly the same sort of thing, and the truth of the matter is they're both very similar platforms. You'll find a lot of the same products across both, and yeah, over the years, some of them have gotten better, some of them haven't. So funnily enough, I mentioned paleo. Here's a product, Paleo Valley, which 100% grass-fed beef stick. So basically, if you're South African, biltong or dry horse, essentially. And if you look on the left, the categories, there are so many different categories. So let's say, for instance, you are into, I'm trying to think, let's talk tennis. Let's say you're into tennis. So let's go sports and you're blogging about tennis. There are so many different products that you can promote. You can even, I mean, there are tons, and I'm pretty sure there would be a tennis one. So there's football. There we go, Planet Tennis. So that's to buy. You can then sign up and sell those as an affiliate. So you can do posts about it on your website. You can use email marketing, which funnily enough is going to be the next sort of online course that I create, is how to use email marketing to drive traffic and in the end drive sales. So yeah, there's one on golf. There's one on basketball. There's so many. Tennis mind game. There are so many different sort of niches that you can get into. There's golf, there's hockey, there's racket sports. I mean, you name it. There on the left is all the. So let's take a look at. They don't even have a tennis category, but that's neither here nor there. To be honest, there are literally gazillions of these sort of products. So Jvzoo and Clickbank, both the links are next door. Then a website that's probably, I've heard stats that it's the third biggest website from a search perspective in the world behind Google, YouTube. It's then Amazon. So Amazon.com, you can buy anything under the sun on Amazon.com. And it doesn't really matter if the territory that you live in is not that big. You've got access to a global market. Amazon is huge. So in order to sign up for their affiliate program, all you have to do is go over to this URL, affiliate-program.amazon.com. I'll put the link next to this as well, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this because I've got an account set up. So I'm going to log in quick and I'll show you what we do here. Okay, again, so I don't have too many Amazon links. Affiliate marketing is not one of the big things that I'm into. I'm going to chat a little bit about that a little bit later on, but I used to do quite a bit of this, and you can make a little bit of money, and it's pretty easy to do. So this is the dashboard, and basically what you can do is if you click on product linking, okay, and you want product links. So let's say, for instance, you're talking about a book that you absolutely loved, and let's say it is Tim Ferriss's 4-Hour Work Week. So I'm going to type Tim Ferriss. If you haven't read the book, do yourself a favor. Just putting it out there. Absolutely love it. So there it is. There's all Tim Ferriss's book. So there's Tim Ferriss's 4-Hour Work Week. And if you click here, it'll say get link, and it gives you various options. So you can either click on that. It'll say copy and paste below. So I am going to copy that, or what you can do is go build link, and then what it does is it allows you to customize it, so you can have images, and here we go. So it allows you to do the background, color, all of that sort of thing. So you can have the link just in the text, which I've copied, or you can basically do that. So if you want to put that book, all you do is you click on that, and you then go to your website. Okay, so let's say that this post that I created on the blog builder was about Tim Ferriss's book, and by the way, those ads are now showing that we put for Google AdSense. So there's the one, and there's the other one above the search bar. So just a bit of an aside. So let's say we are going to this is about this book, and let's say we do it in this part of the text. So what I do is, where it says without further ado, I then go into the text. You can't do it in the visual because it's code that you're adding. So if you go into the visual and you search between the text here, you'll see eventually it'll say without further ado. There we go. So that's it there. Without further ado, you just go to the far left on that line and you paste that code. Okay. So basically what's going to happen is it puts it there. If you then click on it, it then gives you options. So you can have it that the text wraps around it, align center, align right, or no alignment. So I'm going to have it that the text wraps around it on the left. And there you go. So if I now publish it, and I go update, it'll put that link to that book right over there where it says without further ado. There we go. So there's the book. If I click on it, and the cool thing with the Amazon ads, you can click on it. You're not getting paid per click. It's only if somebody buys it. So if I then click on it, it takes you straight to the page where it is, and somebody can buy it. So that's as simple as it is with Amazon products. And literally, Amazon, the world is your oyster. There are gazillions of products. So it doesn't matter what your niche is. If you're into underwater basket weaving, you can sell affiliate stuff on your website through Amazon. Just a disclaimer, for legal reasons, you need to disclose that you do have affiliate links within some of your blog posts. So you can have it in your terms and conditions. You can have a page that's your terms and conditions, and just say, or at the bottom of a blog post in italics, just say some of these links are affiliates. And I like saying, you know what, by clicking on it, you help support me doing what I'm doing. It's not going to cost you any more money, because it doesn't. The end user, it costs exactly the same. Whether they go straight to Amazon or if they come through your link, they then Amazon then pays you a referral commission. So it doesn't cost the end user any more, but you then get some money back. So I like to say to people, you know what? There are some links in here that are affiliate links, and in clicking on them and buying those products, you help support me doing what I love doing. So that's just a little bit of an aside from a legal perspective, particularly in the States. You can probably get away with it in other countries, but yeah, it's probably best to just disclaim that up front anyway. So that's pretty much what I've got to say on affiliate marketing. If you've got any questions, please pop them in the question box next door.